Miami Heat panalo sa Boston Celtics 111-101 sa Game 2 ng kanilang series sa playoff at tie na ang series sa 1-1.
And we are underway Game 2 at TD Garden. The Celtics control the next 2 days.
7 minutes pa bago matapos ang second quarter ay lamang ang Boston ng 5. 35-40. 44-42. 4 minutes na lang bago matapos ang second quarter.
Miami in front. First half. He closes straight on Jovic. He's got 3 in shooting and their great defense. They can just go on huge runs. Tyler Hero, that's a big answer right there.
8 minutes pa sa third quarter ay Boston pa rin ang lamang 64-65. Naging 85-77 lamang na ang Miami ng 8. Hanggang sa fourth quarter ay hindi na nakabawi ang Boston. Nagtapos sa 10 points na lamang ng Miami, 111-101. Please follow my Facebook page, comment, like, and share. And subscribe my YouTube channel, Stories of Akal Paeng.